Today we're going to learn how to adjust the climate control system in your 718. As you can see here in this vehicle, we have two-zone climate control. I can adjust the temperature up and down using this particular rocker switch. Now, just like our other vehicles, if you adjust the fan, you'll notice that auto turns off. Now you can turn auto back on by a short push of this. You can also sync your two regions here by pressing and holding. There you can see the sync popped up on that side, and we now have the same temperature on both sides. You can have it on AC, or you can go to AC Max. Now let's go into these controls here. You also have your front window defroster, your recirculate, and your rear window defroster here. And here we have heated seats and the optionally available ventilated seats. Over here, you can change how the air comes out. If you select this button, it will blow air into the footwell. If you select this button, it'll be kind of this row of main vents, and this button will actually come out close to the windshield. Now, as you can see here, if any of these are selected or the fan is turned on, auto is off. However, if I turn these off and auto was on before, it will return to auto. You now can adjust your climate control system in your 718.